Hello and welcome back to J&B Bites. This is your next episode in the Food for Thought series. Today we're making a nostalgic allergy-friendly Weetbix slice. It's egg, soy, gluten, dairy and nut-free. A family favourite that's perfect for making ahead of time and saving for those really tough days. Here's everything you'll need. For both the base and toppings, I want to confirm that all ingredients are certified allergy-free. That means they have been cleared by our governing body of all 8 major allergies that cause intolerances, anaphylaxis, or sensitivities. For the base, you will need baking powder, cocoa powder, Weetbix, fine desiccated coconut or shredded coconut for a chewier texture, Allergy-Safe, which is a dairy-free, allergy-friendly butter spread here in Australia, caster sugar, and gluten-free plain flour. For the topping, you'll need icing sugar or powdered sugar, Allergy-Safe, boiling water, and cocoa powder. Now that we have everything ready, let's start baking. You're probably seeing Weetbix slices all over social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. But this version is made to soothe the soul and keep your pantry safe for everyone. I always make extra batches to freeze so that my future self has a hug in the freezer on chaotic days. Let's start by making the base. Step 1 is crushing the Weetbix until you have a coarse crumb. You can use a rolling pin, a food presser. My personal favorite is with my hands. It's a little bit of therapy to give them a good crush and smash, and it relieves a little bit of tension. Number 2, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, fan forced. Number 3, in a large bowl, combine the crushed Weetbix, the plain flour, the coconut, and the baking powder. Mix really well until it's combined, and then make a small well in the center for the wet mixture. Now, in a small saucepan, melt together the Allergy-Safe, caster sugar, and cocoa powder on low heat. Stir gently until everything has become smooth and glossy. Do not rush this process. This takes a little bit of time, but you do not want this to boil. Once everything has melted, remove from the heat and pour that chocolatey goodness into the well in your dry ingredients. Mix until everything is fully incorporated and looks like a lovely, even, crumbly but syrupy batter. Take this mixture and press the mixture firmly into a lined slice tray or tin. I like to use the base of a handled-free coffee mug or a smooth glass to get a neat, even finish. Slide this into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. You're aiming for the center to be set, but still tender to the touch. It should have a gentle spring when pressing, not rock hard. Stick around while the base bakes. I'll show you the easy icing that finishes it perfectly. If you're enjoying this, hit the like button. It helps others find allergy-friendly recipes too. Now it's time for the icing. For the topping, mix the icing sugar and cocoa powder together with a little softened Allergy-Safe. Slowly add the boiled water while stirring until the icing is smooth and lump-free. You want a glossy, pourable texture. When the slice comes out of the oven, leave it in the tray. Pour the warm icing straight over while the base is still warm. This helps the icing sink a little into the top of the slice and sets with a lovely glossy finish. Allow everything to cool and set completely before removing from the pan. When it's fully cooled, slice into your preferred portions. This slice freezes beautifully. I usually make 2 batches, one for now and one for later. Pop slices in an airtight container or freeze wrapped individually so you can pull one out whenever you need a quick, safe treat or a little comfort. When life's plans change and a day takes a different turn, that little freezer stored treat feels like care from your past self to your present. Our whole household loves this. Our extended family and friends never guess it's allergy friendly. It's our go-to for lunchboxes, morning tea, and emergency comfort. If you make this, leave Weetbix in the comments so I can see your versions, or tag us on Instagram at JB Inspired. For more allergy-friendly recipes and caregiver hacks, subscribe to J&B Care Playbook on YouTube. This is Michelle from J&B Bites. Take care of yourself and treat your future self kindly. See you next time.